Alright guys, take a look at that. That looks so good. Hot Cheetos Nachos. The best you will ever have, ever. You gotta make this. You gotta make this. You gotta try this. That's good. That's good, isn't it? What is up, everybody? Eddie Vongse here, back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please feel free to do so. So today we are going to make nacho Cheetos. This is gonna be nacho average Cheetos. So let's get right into it. So starting off with our fresh ingredients, we have onions, garlic, fresh banana sweet peppers, tomatoes, cilantro, and of course jalapeno. In a medium-high heat pan, we're going to add our oil in and also our onion and garlic, and we're going to cook that first. Then we're going to move it to the side, add a little bit more oil, and I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground lean turkey. You can use any type of ground meat as you prefer, but I'm using ground turkey because it's very lean and I'm trying to watch my figure. Next up, I'm going to add the sweet banana peppers, the tomatoes, and a little bit of the cilantro, and we're going to cook that down so some of the water from the tomatoes can soak into the meat. Then you're going to want to add your seasoning. So right here we have 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder. Yes, I know it looks like a lot, but trust me, your body will thank you. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just sprinkle that all around the whole pan. There you go. Old Bay seasoning. Now this is the secret right here. Just sprinkle all that however much you would like. Just be mindful that too much can make your dish very salty. Also, another staple of my ingredients, oyster sauce. 3 tablespoons of that and a half cup of water. Give everything a mix. Put the lid on top. Allow it to simmer for 15 minutes on medium. Alright, so once you're done cooking that, set that aside. Now it's time for the hot Cheetos. So I went with the party pack size simply because I just get this feeling that everybody's going to want to try this. So just pour that into your dish, or you could just simply keep it in the bag and just open it up. Now ladle all the meats, that everything you cooked, onto the hot Cheetos. As you can see, I'm just taking my time here, or you can just dump everything on there, but I'm all about presentation. So now I'm just basically ladling the nice hot gooey cheese all over that right there. You got to get every little bits of it. Next up, I'm adding cilantro for color contrast. The colors are popping now. You got the red, you got the yellow, you got the green from the veggies. Everything is coming together and it just looks so delicious. Alright, so remember the jalapenos from earlier in the video? So here I am just simply placing them on top for presentation, and then just a few more hot Cheetos on top of all of that, and then finishing it off with some more cheese. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? Give this video a thumbs up if you think that's delicious. Would you eat this dish? Comment below, let me know. So I got my son out here. We're gonna try this bad boy out, okay? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
I'm ready for this. This is one of a kind right here. This is the first I ever made of this. Look at this.
It smells good.
It smells real good. Alright. I'm gonna let you dig in.
Alright.
I'll grab this side, you grab that side. Gotta get the jalapenos over here. Okay.
That's good.
That's good, isn't it?
That's good.
That's money. My gosh. I'm not tooting my own horn, but that's probably like the best nachos.
I haven't had anything like this before. I mean, I like hot Cheetos, not the biggest fan, but that's a whole nother level.
You gotta make this. You gotta make this. You gotta try this. This is so good.
Especially those vegetables, complement it perfectly.
I'm out here cooking in this cold weather just for you guys right here.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty cold out here.
I don't know if you can see steam. Or smoke coming out. We should get your sister and your cousin to try this.
Yeah.
We get a second or third or fourth opinion on this. Check this out. Be right back. Alright guys, so I got two more people. I got my daughter Nala right here, and I got my niece Madeline. Go let them try this. Right here. And let's
These
see.
two love hot Cheetos.
Let me
I'm pretty
see.
sure they're gonna like it.
Yeah. Y'all like hot Cheetos. Alright, go ahead, give it a try and tell me what you think, okay? Try me some too.
That's good. That's really good.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Y'all like it? Does it taste like nachos though?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. So you think this video deserves a thumbs up?
Yes. Definitely.
Huge one. Man, it's perfect party food right here.
You're right.
That's really good.
You make this for your party.
A hit right there.
That's a hit right there. That's the hit. Alright guys. I hope you liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Support the channel. I appreciate the love. Till next time. Peace.
Oh, it's good. Yeah.
Oh, now let's take in the whole plate.
The meat fell.
I'm like,